All right, this is Little Umbrellas by Frank Zappa. I'm going to give you a little bit of this melodies, a little teaser, and then we're going to get into the chords. So we got. Okay, so that's a little teaser there. So let's get into the chords. The first chords, we have D sus2. That's going to be 5 on the 5th string. You got 5, 7, 7, 5, 5. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We have an F minor 7 here. 8 on the 5th string. 8, 10, 8, 9, 8. Okay, so here we go. 2, 3, 4. And then the theme starts. Right, we're going to keep going with that same progression. Now this third time, we're going into a D diminished. 5 with my middle finger here on the 5th string. 5, 6, 4, 6. You can even hit the 4 in the bottom there if you want. So. Okay, so we just substitute the F minor 7 with that one on the third time through. So it's. And then diminished. Back to the normal ones. Okay, now we're going to get into a C major 9. We have 3 on the 5th string, 3, 5, 4, 3, 3. So we're going to go. Kind of chills out the vibe right there. So instead of a straight, get more into a J, B flat major 7, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1. So it's like 2 times of that. Back to the normal chords. Now this time diminished again. Okay, then we're back to the beginning of the whole theme. Diminished. C major 9. B flat major 7. Now this time we're going to go F minor 7. And this is like a B flat 13. We have the 6 on the D string, 6, 7, 8, but we're gonna have an F in the bass. So it's a B flat 13 / F. So we had F minor 7. We had this one. And then we have E7 sharp 9, that Hendrix chord. Open 7, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then we're into the next theme. We're gonna go. That's A minor, G6, we have big 3, mute the A and have 5, 4, 5 here. It gives you a G6, so we got. And this one is a F6, 9, so we have 8, 7, 7, 8, 8. You might put those 2 fingers down here. So it's kind of 2 beats on the first one. 1, 1. There's that C major 9 again. We'll do 4 of that one. Then we do this riff again. And then we're going to go 1 each on A minor. This is A flat minor 7, flat 5. So it's 4, mute the A, 4, 4, and 3. So we got. And then G minor 9. This is like 3, 5, 3, 3, 3, and 5. So that's G minor 9. Then we're going to have C7 sharp 9. 3, 2, 3, 4. So we had. A minor, A flat, G minor 9, C sharp 9, B flat, We got F minor 9, 1 3 1 1 1 and a 3 on the bottom there, and then we're gonna get into a C sharp raised 9, 4 3 4 5. So this is an interesting theme here. We got dum 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 dum. And then we're into a keyboard part. E major, F sharp, G, A, B flat. Now think about the C up here, but we're going to get rid of the bass note and make a 7 on the second string. That makes it a C add sharp 11. Take it up half step, 1 fret, D flat sharp 11, E flat. Then it starts over again. E, F sharp, G, A, B flat, C add sharp 11. So that's 10, 10, 9, and 7. Up 1 fret, D flat, add a sharp 11, E flat. Okay, then we're back to the secondary theme, it's called. And then the walking. And then we're on the main theme. Here comes diminished. And then C major 9, B flat major 7 twice. Now we're gonna have E minor to A and F sharp minor. Okay, and you could do a chord thing on those like. Okay, so these are going to be all the horn lines coming up next. So let's go to the top of the theme again. We're going to have. Okay, so we've got D string, 12, and then 11, 12. Kind of a hammer. And then 15, 14, 12, 14, 12, 11 to 12. So it's. And then down here in the second string, 13, 14, 15, double hammer, 17, 15 on the E. And that's 14 to 13, 12 to 13, 14 to 15 on the B. So. Now we're going to go. So that was 13 on the G, 15 on the D, 13 to 12 on the B. There we got a 12, 14 on the G, down to 15. Okay, so that was 13. Hammer on, kind of pull up. Now we're going to go 13, 15, 12. 14 on the G, 12 to 15, 13, 11, 13, 11 to 10 down there. So we got. So we got quick 12, 13, 12, 12 to 14 on the G, and then 12, 14, 12, 15, 13, 11, 13, 11 to 10. And then we're back to the top. So we got. And 11 to 12, 9, 10, 9, 10, 13 on the A takes us back in. So the whole thing is. Starts again. So this time we go 13, 15 to little 13. And then 16, 15, 13 to 12. Okay, then we get into a part where we go. Okay, so first we have 5, 5, and 7. 8, 5, 6, 8 to the 5 over here. And then we start with the second string note. But we do that same riff. Then we're going to have. Okay, so that riff is 5 on the first, 8 on the second, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So we got. That's 10, 8, 7 to 10 on the second, 8 on the second, 10 on the G, 8, 11 to 10 on the B, and then we're going to have 12, 13, 15, 12, kind of fast ones, 13 and then 2 13s, 15, 13, 15, 13, 16, and that's when we get into that keyboard thing that starts on the E chord and goes up all those major chords. Okay, so this thing once again was. Okay, and we're going to skip the keyboard part because that's just chords that we play. Then we get back into the secondary theme, which is that. And then we just play chords through that. That's the. Okay, then we're into the main theme again. We got. Go to that E note right there, that 14th fret. And then we got this chord here, 7, 7, 5, and 7. 7, 5, 7, 5. 4, 4, 6, and 7. And then the little kind of horn thing is like 8, 9, 10. And then 11 to 14 chromatic. 12, 11, and 10. All right, Little Umbrellas, great stuff. Hot Rats, Frank Zappa, got tabs on this. Thanks for watching. See you later.